Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gift symbol. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security tab or section. This is where you can manage your security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable the feature. You may need to choose your preferred method of receiving the verification code, such as via SMS or an authenticator app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your two-factor authentication method, you will likely be asked to verify it. Enter the code sent to you, confirm the setup, and save your changes to ensure that two-factor authentication is active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your PayPal account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated to avoid any access issues in the future.